Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Prince Saj to showcase versatility on his first studio album. From secular to gospel music, Prince Saj has crafted a niche market for himself in the gospel arena. Known for his hardcore DJing style, the award-winning DJ says his debut studio project titled Fully Jesus will allow fans to see different sides of him.
You're going to hear what people know Prince Saj doing, DJing. You're going to hear a little singing, for the older folks that like the old school kind of vibe where gospel is concerned. That is there as well.
He also revealed to E-Prime some of the collaborations featured on the album.
The DJ Nicholas on the album. We have Blessed Messenger on the album as a feature as well. God Sinet as a feature. John Mark Wigan as a feature as well. So it will definitely be good.
Fully sold out for Christ since his baptism in 2019 and turning a clean slate, he says he anticipates the project will touch the lives of many, bringing them closer to God.
Believe you me, it's going to be a blessing to the people. It's going to be something that will really change lives, and Fully Jesus is just sold out for Christ, heart, mind, soul and body, giving your all to Jesus Christ, surrendering all. That's what Fully Jesus simply means, and this album, will allow people to surrender to Jesus Christ. I believe it, and that is what God really spoke into me and told me when I was, formulating this album. So definitely big things for this album.
Produced by The Journey under the The Journey production label, Fully Jesus is set to be released this weekend with an album launch release party.
The album will be released on June 14th. That's this upcoming Saturday, and also the album launch will be held at the Swallowfield Chapel as well on June 14th. So right after the performance is finished, after the show finished, the album will be available for everyone to stream.
Reggae artist Snatch a Lion drops debut project, Great Light, after 15 years in the making. The youngest member of the famed Bonner Brothers, which also includes his reggae star brothers Richie Spice, Spanabana and Pliers of Shakademus and Pliers, is crafting a legacy of his own with his first studio release. The 15-track project is produced by some of the industry's stalwarts such as the late Arif Cooper, UTH Music, Firewind, Bonner Cornerstone, Bonner Reggae Yard. Speaking with E-Prime, he shared that the long-awaited project, which features tracks like Great Light, I Cry, and Something About This Rasta, he says the album is thought-provoking and soul-stirring.
The album is a thoughtful selection of messages speaking to the hearts of the people, standing for justice, unity, love, and spiritual upliftment. It serves not only as a musical experience, but also as a movement to spread awareness that reggae music is still alive, thriving, and here to stay.
Now on the international scene, Kanye West throws his support behind Diddy. Earlier today, the rapper made a brief appearance at the courthouse where Sean Diddy Combs is on trial. According to a source, West has been in touch with Combs' son Christian about possibly attending the ongoing criminal trial in New York City. Ahead of the trial, he called for Combs' freedom. Back in March, West released a song that featured a recorded phone conversation between himself and Combs from jail. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.